Nagsama na mga idol sa Abra Weavers ang dating Blue Eagles na si Dave Ildefonso at si Gio Chu plus Mike Ayon-Ayon pa. Kaya tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kanilang winning streak. Tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanilang full game highlights. Abra Weavers versus Caloocan Kankalo.
Between Abra and Caloocan, as Chu and Bonsubre will jump it up.
Well, Gio Chu started John Oduba. The depth of Abra really just incredible right now. And talking about
Taiwan, quick pass to Ayon-Ayon, this time starting para dito sa Abra. Ildefonso for free, knocks that one down.
And that's what you get
Sa Abra, solid North Weavers. The switch. Oh, quick pass leads to this basket by Gio Chu.
Abra looking very, but the really good foundation with the way they play. Itong si Gio Chu, but June Bonsubre, nice to see him knock down a jumper.
Taiwan on the right corner. Inside, papunta kay Gio Chu. Back-to-back baskets for the Ateneo Blue Eagle.
Well, vastly improved ang kanyang finishing near, in and around the basket. Gio Chu is much mobile compared to when he was in college, so and really has developed into a fine young player.
Tatakbo dito ang Caloocan. Manday inside, Bonsubre. Second jumper for the former San Beda under coach Mike Sagigit. Talking about tong Caloocan as we see Dave Ildefonso making it look easy with that fadeaway.
Yung mindset niya na parang realizing that he can really take over games para sa kanyang koponan.
Taiwan puts a pass to Mike Ayon-Ayon. Can't hit the free. Gio Chu with a 6-point.
And something that really itong Abra na nakikita natin early on with Mike Ayon-Ayon there and Gio Chu na nag-credit to Caloocan there.
Kalahat susugod. Puts it up, puts it in. Plus has yet to take a shot. Tayong Tong draws closer. Got rejected by Alfred Batino. Quickly to Ildefonso, who lays it up and in.
Of Abra here in the first period.
Kalahat pops out, takes that free, and gives Caloocan their first taste of the lead, 16-15.
And able to knock down that three down the middle on the pick and pop.
Catch and shoot from Dave Ildefonso. Can't get it to fall. Batino with another offensive board, this time.
Considers one of the best coaches in the Philippines. Every angle daw ng laro ay prepared si Coach Yong. So he joked that if they could have talked before the game, he would have said, please go easy on us. Kenan Sidel.
Maraming salamat, Gianna, and in Banggit. And also produced 12 points and 9 rebounds. Really turned a lot of hits as Real Cervantes turns out space inside and scores.
Quick hands there from Jennifer Cabanag.
Cabanag pulls up. Money on that mid-range jumper.
Ayan, batang apalit yan. And bumubulusok na actually the whole league is it's a far cry from where they started this season.
Oh yeah. Jeff Manday with a jumper to open things up here in quarter number 2.
Really good handles to get to wherever spot on the floor he wants to.
Taga-Bacolod din yan di ba?
Oh.
CJ Austria knocks down a free.
And that was well challenged as well.
JJ Manlangit, Jeff Manday, and Jeremy Gabanag, the unit para dito sa Caloocan. Cervantes na beaten, but the stick back works for the former FEU Tamaraw.
But Caloocan has been countering with their defense, and kita mo doon, another steal and a point off a turnover.
It will not work. Manday quickly, outlet. Cervantes takes his time and finishes on the other end in double figures in that one.
And I like the way they're communicating at the moment, but Mike Ayon-Ayon, here's another shot maker para dito sa Abra Solid North.
Na naman ni Alfred Batino. Ayon-Ayon glides in and scores for Abra.
And defense, just denying someone a post entry or a shot inside the paint. And David Ildefonso has
Marwin Taiwan. Ayon-Ayon drives, kick out. Taiwan left open for free. It's good.
You knew it was going in as soon as it left his hands. And Enriquez, klase yung sagot.
Di papatalo to. So, Oduba, palabas, papunta kay Ayon, who floats it up. Off the heel, Oduba crashes the boards and scores on the putback.
Definitely. Particularly in the coaching staff. Yong Garcia and Enoch Miranda.
Oo. That shot is good from right side. Dapat kay Josh Flores. The switch by Manlangit. Ildefonso drives left. Gets to his spot. Lays it up and in.
And
Naagaw. Ayon has time. Puts it up. And that signals Ayon, Dave Ildefonso and Simon Camacho. Ildefonso. Tough shot. Boy. Defense drape all over. Sanga pulls the trigger. That's a long two-pointer for Paul Sanga. Ayon. Ildefonso, quick return, papunta kay Mike. Takes that free. Another three. Actually, a long two again. Para dito kay Mike. 50-37. Tayong Tong, mid-range, automatic.
it's all about
No pace lang. Binanggit ni Jeremy Cabanag na sa second quarter pag nakakashoot ang Weavers ng
Off to the left, ang kanyang tira sa labas. Cabanag. Using that pick, pulls up.
Okan in double figures yet.
Serrano floats and banks it in, and Serrano giving Abra
And the shot off the glass.
Cabanag long free, puts it in, and Caloocan down by 8, 56. 9 on their shot clock. Taiwan, great pass. Gonzalez doesn't get the bounce, but follows up his own miss and scores.
Iba yung batang yan.
Yeah, tough as nails, Marwin Taiwan. Going up against Irvin Valencia. Taiwan, wow, pulls up and kissing it off the
Go yan.
8 seconds left. Wilkin Lee is in for Abra, who attacks. Kicks it out. Austria tries to beat the buzzer. Not sure if he got it off in time.
Kakalu here early in the fourth.
Jeff Manday asking for a screen up top. Manday splitting the defense. Bounce pass again. Kalahat though was denied, but right there for the punta kay Alfred Patino. Cervantes giving him space. Taiwan baseline drive. Manday shutting him down, and good stand on defense by Caloocan. But a steal by Ayon and flips it up and in. Sorry, miss.
I still have to add a fun fact about Jeff for everybody that may not know. He did grow up in Bacolod with his dad as a fisherman. Kaya mangingisda daw siya if hindi siya basketball player. Back to you guys.
Monsubre, the switch. Ildefonso, what a move! Again, now you see me.
Even Ildefonso. Sa lakas din ng katawan tsaka sa size niya.
Yeah.
Ken, hirap mo talaga siyang hindi mo rin siya mausog ng gusto.
Yeah. But, siyempre,
Parang napapasmile si Ton. Ibig sabihin gusto rin maging friends ng mga taga-Obi-Van.
Monsubre.
Pinaramdam sa akin na may 10 points. Okay, makakarating kay Coach Aisen.
Again, the signature shot though by Encho Serrano, keeping Caloocan at bay. Ildefonso with another 20-point output para dito sa Abra. Taiwan, too strong. Cabanag clears it for Caloocan. Again, it's Taiwan.
They will miss Romel Calahat in the next game.
Hindi pa yung mabigat. Got ejected. He just tuned in. And he committed a disqualifying foul after throwing what was perceived to be a punch against John Oduba. Meanwhile, Abra, just another day in the office and successful. Again, just the second game with their newest acquisitions, Mike.